Do you see how my skin is glowing? Hi guys, it's me, Swanika. Welcome back to Enjoy Makeup. So today I'm gonna do the look that you guys requested. There is makeup, no makeup, make your skin look glow and perfect. Like you didn't do anything, just wake up, you turn your skin to be like this. Okay, I want to show you my closed up skin. As you can see here, I have some dark spot and obviously underneath my eyes a lot of black circle and some redness, acne. It like look better than this if you know how to treat it. Let's see, let's go. Let's see how it's gonna change your life, change your skin and make your skin look glowing, beauty without use too much foundation. Okay, let's start. Pour it on my hand. Wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up. I feel a little bit tingling in the first time, but yeah, that is nothing that you need to be scared of, because that how the vitamin C in there is work. Wake up skin! You see how my skin is glowing? Bing! I just do some spot that I think I have some problem with. Like here, just dab it on. Just only on the deepest part and darkest part. You see my skin? It's glowing. I'm gonna do the Fixing Plus, which is the original one, my own color which I created. So actually I love this color. Yeah, just tap it on here. At applying colors, this one, and swing it on your lid. Eyebrows, normally I'm not gonna do that much thing on that. Feel some and just brush it off. Hope you like this video. Please thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell next to it to notify you that I upload the videos. Hope you enjoy this look. See the techniques and tricks how to make your skin look healthier and look like no makeup on. Okay, yeah. See you every second and fourth Wednesday of every month and see you there. Bye girls.